I held the envelope in my hands. My first salary. My heart was beating fast. I had worked so hard for this moment. I opened the envelope slowly. Inside were crisp new bills. More money than I had ever held before. I counted them 3 times. It was real. I was finally earning my own money. I walked down the busy street. I looked at all the shops and restaurants. For months, I had walked past them with empty pockets. Now everything felt different. I had money in my bag. Then I saw it. The Golden Fork. The fanciest restaurant in town. I had dreamed about eating there for a long time. Every day on my way to work, I would stop and look at the menu. The prices were so high. I could never afford to eat there. But today was different. Today I had money. I stood outside the restaurant. My hands were shaking. Should I really do this? The cheapest meal on the menu cost almost half my salary, but I wanted to celebrate. This was my special day. I pushed open the heavy glass door. The restaurant was beautiful. Crystal lights hung from the ceiling. The tables had white cloths and real flowers. Everything looked expensive. A man in a black suit walked toward me. He looked at my simple clothes. His face showed surprise.
Do you have a reservation?
He asked. No, I said quietly. Can I get a table? He looked around the restaurant. Most tables were empty. It was only 3 o'clock in the afternoon.
Follow me,
he said. He took me to a small table near the kitchen. It was not the best table, but I didn't care. I was inside the Golden Fork. I looked at the menu. Everything was so expensive. The cheapest meal was a simple salad for $30. My heart sank. Even the cheapest meal would use most of my money, but I had come this far. I would order the salad and enjoy every bite. A young waiter came to my table. He had curly hair and kind eyes.
What would you like to order?
He asked. The garden salad, please, I said. He wrote it down and walked away. I sat back in my chair. I was really doing this. I was eating at the Golden Fork. 20 minutes later, the waiter came back. But he was not carrying a small salad. He was carrying a huge plate. On it was a thick steak with vegetables and potatoes. It looked amazing. The smell made my mouth water. Wait, I said. I ordered the salad. But the waiter wasn't listening. He put the plate down in front of me. Then he started singing.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
More waiters came over. They were all singing and clapping. The whole restaurant was looking at our table.
Happy birthday, dear customer. Happy birthday to you.
They finished singing and smiled at me. The first waiter leaned down.
Happy birthday,
he said.
This meal is free. It's a gift from the Golden Fork.
My face turned red. It was not my birthday. This was a mistake. But all the waiters were watching me. Everyone in the restaurant was watching me. Thank you, I whispered. The waiters walked away. I sat alone with the expensive meal. What should I do? I should tell them about the mistake. But the steak looked so good, and they said it was free. I picked up my fork. I cut a small piece of steak. It was the most delicious thing I had ever tasted. The meat was so tender. The sauce was perfect. I ate another bite, then another. Soon I was eating faster. This was amazing food. Food I could never afford. Food I might never taste again. I ate everything on the plate. The steak, the vegetables, the potatoes, everything was perfect. I had never had a meal like this. I sat back in my chair. I felt so happy. This was the best meal of my life. Then the manager came to my table. He looked worried.
"Excuse me,"
He said.
"there has been a mistake.
My heart stopped beating.
That meal was for table 12.
He said.
It was their birthday, not yours.
I looked across the restaurant. At table 12, a woman was sitting alone. She looked angry. She was talking to another waiter.
I'm so sorry,
The manager said to me.
but you will need to pay for the meal you ate."
He handed me a bill. The number was huge. The steak dinner cost $80. I only had $40 in my bag. I don't have enough money, I said quietly. The manager's face got serious.
"Then we have a problem."
My hands started shaking. What would happen to me? Would they call the police? I can work, I said quickly. I can wash dishes. I can clean tables. I can pay you back with work. The manager thought for a moment.
"Okay,
He said,
you can work in the kitchen tonight. You can wash dishes until you pay for the meal."
That night, I worked in the kitchen of the Golden Fork. I washed hundreds of dishes. I cleaned pots and pans. My hands got red and sore. My back hurt from standing so long. But I didn't feel bad. Every time I remembered the taste of that steak, I smiled. It was worth every dish I washed. I worked until midnight. Finally, the manager came to the kitchen.
"You have worked enough.
He said.
The meal is paid for. You can go home."
I walked out of the Golden Fork. My clothes were wet. My hands smelled like soap. But I felt happy. I had eaten the best meal of my life. I had learned something important too. I know where to celebrate my birthday from now on. It was the best birthday I ever had. Would you do the same? Tell us in the comments. And for more English stories, hit like and subscribe to the channel. Lesson of the day: reservation. Reservation means booking a table, seat, or room in advance. Example from the story. Do you have a reservation? Extra examples. I made a reservation at the restaurant for 7 p.m. We need a reservation for the hotel.